So we're here in the games room and the boys are testing the latest Sony ATMOS soundbar.
Locking on.
And unlike the lounge room, this model has the rear speakers. These speakers take the cinema-style surround sound to the next level. It really makes the boys feel like they're part of the action.
Oh boy.
Guys, remember what I taught you.
What did you teach me?
This soundbar comes with a subwoofer which actually adds depth and bass to the sound. I never actually knew that sound like this existed, but once you've heard it, it's hard to imagine ever going back. When it comes to buying a soundbar for your home, there's no one size that fits all. And to help you find the right model for you, Sony has created an easy soundbar finder. Most importantly, it's the size of your room, but also your budget. And whether you watch TV, movies, sports, or enjoy gaming. Head to the website and check it out. We're off to watch a movie, aren't we? Yeah, come on, let's go.
Another successful day of protecting the island. Great job, guys. Oh, yeah.